Hi, I'm Amanda Lenhart, and I want to tell you about a new Joan Ganz Cooney Center report that I wrote called The Family Tech Cycle. This report introduces the technology parenting cycle that has concrete recommendations for tech designers. The technology parenting cycle is the idea that parents are constantly involved in an ever-changing set of decisions about their kids' technology use. The cycle has 3 phases. First, deciding to give a child access to a device or an account. Second, getting that device or an account, unboxing it, setting it up. And then third is the ongoing management of that device. The device itself changes over time, what kinds of things it can do may change over time, and your child changes over time. And finally, it repeats. So you continue to make the decision for the next device, the next tool, the next platform you decide to get. This report shares how we co-designed new tech solutions with families. Parents told us over and over again how exhausted they were by having to manage all of the settings and tools on their kids' devices. We learned that real families wish that the technology would help them do a better job in managing the tech parenting cycle. If you're a designer who makes products for kids and families, we wrote this report with you in mind. And we think there's a real opportunity for the industry to make families' lives better. I hope that you'll read this report, share it with your organization, and implement it in your work.